What if I told you that the internet is full of people right now making money while they're at the gym, asleep, or watching Netflix by selling products they created once and never had to touch again? No inventory, no customer service, no need to be on camera. Some of them never even use their own voice. Sounds impossible? It's not. In fact, it's one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money online right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using nothing but AI tools and a laptop. And don't worry, even if you've never sold anything before, don't know how to design, or don't want to show your face, this is still for you. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to AI Money Secrets, your go-to channel for turning AI into real income. Now I get it. There are a million make money online videos out there, and honestly, half of them are either too technical or too scammy. But today's method is 100% legit, requires zero upfront investment, and it's something I personally believe anyone can start, even if you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a reliable side hustle. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to create a digital product using AI, design it beautifully, using Canva listed on Etsy or Gumroad, promote it without showing your face, and turn it into passive income. If that sounds good, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm starting a full series on different methods of making money online using AI. This is the first video in that series. You'll find the other videos inside the playlist section on my channel, and I'll add the link in the description. Now, let's get started. Step 1. What is a digital product? Let's begin at the beginning. What exactly is a digital product? Think about the last time you downloaded a PDF planner, bought a Canva template, or used a Notion workspace from someone online. That's a digital product. There's no physical shipping, no handling. It's just instant download. They come in many forms: budget planners, fitness trackers, Instagram post templates, wedding checklists, study guides, meal prep charts, digital journals. And here's the best part. You create it once and sell it over and over again. You could be sleeping, and someone across the world downloads your product. That's passive income. You're not just creating a product, you're creating a digital asset that can generate income for you repeatedly. Selling digital products is one of the simplest, quickest, and most profitable ways to start earning passive income. And the best part? We're not going to create it entirely from scratch. We're going to let AI do most of the work for us. Step 2, choosing a profitable niche. Now let's talk about finding a profitable niche. This is where most beginners get stuck. They ask, what should I make? Here's the secret. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to solve a problem. Let me give you 5 solid niches that are in demand right now. Personal finance. People want to save money, manage debt, and plan their budget. Ideas include budget planners, expense trackers, and saving challenges. This is great if you're interested in Excel, finance, or budgeting. Productivity. We're all trying to get more done in less time. Ideas include daily planners, Notion dashboards, and time-blocking templates. If you're good with time management, this is a strong niche. Health and wellness fitness is evergreen, and mental health is trending. Ideas include meal prep templates, gym logs, and mindfulness journals. If you're into fitness, yoga, or exercise, this could be exciting for you. Education students and teachers are always looking for structure. Ideas include study plans, flashcard templates, and academic calendars. This is great if you like teaching or organizing information. Creators and small businesses. Content creators are constantly buying templates to save time. Ideas include Instagram post bundles, content calendars, and lead magnet templates. Still not sure what to make? Go to Etsy.com or Gumroad.com and type in digital plus your niche. Look at the top selling items. That's what people are already buying. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to create the product. Now that you understand digital products and niches, let's move to the next step, creating your product using ChatGPT. This is where AI does the heavy lifting. Maybe you're thinking, I don't know how to write an ebook. That's okay, ChatGPT can help. For example, if you want to create a budget planner for students, here's what you do. Go to chat.openai.com. Type this prompt, create a 10-page beginner-friendly budgeting guide for college students. Include simple tips, checklists, mistakes to avoid, and real-life examples. Then hit enter. Within seconds, you'll get an introduction, chapter breakdowns, lists, tips, sample exercises. You can also ask ChatGPT to expand sections or rewrite them in a more friendly tone. Now you have original content created in minutes, ready to turn into a product. Step 4. Design in Canva. Now that you have the content, it's time to make it look professional. We'll use Canva, one of the easiest design tools available. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry. It's built for beginners and works with simple drag-and-drop tools. Here's what you do. Go to canva.com. Search for ebook template or planner. Choose a template that fits your style. Copy your text from ChatGPT, paste it into the template, adjust the formatting. Add your logo if you have one, add icons or photos if needed. Export it as a PDF. Don't overthink the design. The goal is to make it clean, simple, and helpful. Canva also has an AI feature called Magic Write that can help improve headings or content directly inside your design. Now you have a finished product without using complex design software. Step 5. Sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. Most of the hard work is done. Now it's time to sell your product and start earning. You can sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. Option 1. Etsy works well for visual and searchable products like planners and journals. Steps: create a free Etsy seller account. Go to Shop Manager and click Add Listing. Upload 5 to 10 images of your product. Set your price between $5 and $15. Add relevant keywords and a compelling description. Choose digital product. Publish your listing. Etsy handles payments and file delivery automatically. Option 2. Gumroad. Gumroad is ideal for ebooks or templates you want to promote yourself. Steps: go to gumroad.com. Create a product. Upload your PDF. Write a short description. Set a price. Share your link on social media, forums, or YouTube descriptions. Gumroad gives you more control and potentially higher margins. Final step: promotion. You can create the best product in the world, but if no one sees it, no one will buy it. Here are ways to promote without showing your face. Instagram Reels sharing a quick tip. Pinterest posts featuring your product mock-up. Facebook groups in your niche, Reddit communities related to your topic, YouTube Shorts using AI voiceovers, a free sample page to attract buyers, and upsell the full version. You can also use Canva Smart Mockups to turn your PDF into a realistic preview image. This can improve your click-through rate significantly. And that's a wrap. In this video, you learned how to create a product with ChatGPT, design it in Canva, sell it on Etsy or Gumroad, promote it without showing your face. This is how you go from idea to income in 2025 using AI and digital tools. Download the free AI digital product checklist below to take action today. Comment below and tell me which niche you're starting with. Like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to AI Money Secrets for more faceless income strategies every week. Now take action. Your digital empire won't build itself.